Well, I think Frank Gehry is one of the most important architects of our time. For quite some time, during the 1950s and 1960s, he was already active as an architect, but hardly known. And he became very well known through the construction of his own house, or reconstruction of his own house in the late 1970s, well known to a group of people interested in architecture, and then eventually really reached some kind of star status with the construction of the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao. And I think he is important because he has created an own architectural style, which has really sort of become his signature style. And he's also important because he has also developed the means to create these buildings, meaning that he was very influential in developing computer programs that actually allow to build these free shaped or very sculpturally shaped buildings. The main idea of this exhibition, Frank Gehry since 1997, was to give an overview on his work since 1997, since the building of the Guggenheim Museum in Bilbao. The exhibition is showing 12 projects that were planned and some realized since 1997. Some of the 12 projects are still in development, and one project was a competition entry, so that's the only one that wasn't realized and will not be realized. The idea was to show how these buildings are being developed in the Gehry office by means of models, which really is a crucial part in the design work at the Gehry offices. And so that the exhibition really focuses solely on these models and show how the design process develops through different stages by means of these models. This exhibition that was conceived by the Triennale di Milano presented a great opportunity for us to show and honor Frank Gehry here in this first building that he created in Europe. And it was also a very nice occasion to be able to have this exhibition here because of the fact that there are actually 4 Gehry buildings in the Basel region. With the museum building, the manufacturing site here in Weil am Rhein, the Vitra headquarters in Birsfelden, and now the Novartis building that Gehry designed on the new Novartis campus in Basel, making the Basel region probably the only place where you will find 4 Gehry buildings very close to each other, apart from his hometown, Los Angeles.